Hi, Sonal.
Hey, Ashish.
So we are streaming live and you're the host.
Okay, thank you, Ashish. Hello, people. Very good afternoon. How are you all doing? Good afternoon, Sushmita. After a long time, you're attending class today. Hi, Aditya. Hi, Surajo. Hello, Shrujita. Okay, we'll just wait. Already we are late by 8 minutes. All right, fine. So there are two things which I want to discuss with you people. First of all, reply, and then I'll share the screen based on that. Okay, so first thing is, hi, good afternoon, Ashok. Hi, Subhash. So Vishal Chaurasya, just wait for 2 minutes, class will start. Okay. So two things, what we have discussed to what we have decided to discuss today. Hi, Raj. What we have decided to discuss today. Anybody remember? Net problem, so was unable to attend the class. Okay, Sushmita. Calendars and something else. Hi, Mahfouz. Hello, Rehan. Good afternoon, Kazul, and clocks. Okay, so apart from these two topics, clocks and calendars, there is one more thing which I would like to discuss with you. There are some doubts which is based on, like, both the doubts coincidentally are on one topic, that's blood relation. So you want to discuss those doubts now, or you want to discuss those doubts later, or at the end of the session we'll do that? What do you say? Don't say, type. I'll mute. Or you don't want to say anything, people? Am I audible? Or I have muted myself also?
I think we discussed the doubts at the end.
Okay, thank you. So, all right, fine. So, so whoever has joined new, whoever has joined first time today, be patient for the next few classes. From the next week, that is from the second week of May, we will be starting with the revision, and revision will be like crash course, so you will be able to understand, and I'll let you know which topic to go first. Okay, so please discuss now, otherwise technical problem. Okay, so this was a doubt of one of the students who had messaged to us, that's Kamlesh. So Kamlesh is saying that there is a technical problem. So based on that, please discuss doubt right away. So shall we do that? Is that okay? Anyway, doesn't matter, right? Discuss first or later. And we should respect everyone. So yeah, 1 minute, give me a minute. Where are the doubts file? Okay, we'll discuss one doubt now and one doubt later. Oh my God. So if I have to share the screen, okay, Vinay is also here. Doubts to discuss. I hope you can see my screen now. Can you see the screen? Yes. Okay. So this is a doubt of Kamlesh. After Kamlesh doubt, we will take Binay's doubt, and then we will start with clocks and calendars. I'm sorry. I am trying to adjust this What is this? This chat window and everything else is getting adjusted. It is really irritates whenever I share the screen. 1 minute, people, there is some problem. What is the problem? Okay, I'm switching off the chats for a while because either it will be at full screen or no screen. Okay. Try. Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the question? Everybody? Can you see the question? No, you cannot see the screen. Only Zoom, huh? What's wrong? Now? Can you see it now? Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine. Try this question. Okay. Just give a try. Okay. People, I was talking to myself and then I realized that I was talking to you people and then I realized that I was on mute. So yeah, and then yeah, I also laughed like that. Okay. Shall we discuss it together or what? Okay, together. So one thing to notice here, how many people are there? How many people are there? Can you tell me how many people are there? Yeah, we will discuss. I'm discussing. How many people are there? 8, right? So everyone is related to somehow to each other, not to each other, of course, to each other also and with N. So there are A, B, C, D, M, N, O, P. And everyone is related to N in some way. Related means relation, right? Only 3 people sit between B and N. How many people? 8 people are there. Only 3 people sit between B and N. It means that if N is sitting here, if we confirm N, B is sitting opposite because only 3 people sits between B and N. So you take either side, left side or right hand side, it will be 3 people between B and N in both ways. Okay. So I hope that's clear to you all, right? Yeah. Now, another one. What they're saying next is, oh, so first of all, if you read the solution, read the para, you will get to know that there is N's father, there is N's mother, there is N's brother, there is N's sister, there is N's son, N's daughter, and N's husband. So that's how you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nth one. Nth one is like N person, not N person, person N is the 8th one. Now I'll start solving it. Fine. Only 3 people sit between B and N. We do that. Only 1 person sit between N and P. Now, when I say only 1 person sit between N and P, P can sit here or P can sit here. So I'll draw one more diagram where P is sitting here. This B and N are confirmed. I hope everyone agree to that. This B and N are confirmed. So P can sit here or P can sit here, right? Now another one. N's father sits to the immediate right of P. N's father sits immediate to the right of P. Is that the case? So sit immediate right, it means that, like, this will be right and this will be left. So N's father would be sitting here. And if we can take this case, this will be N's father. N's sister sits third to the right of N's father. Third to the right of N's father is N's sister. First right, second right, third right is N's sister. All right. And first right, second right, third right is N's sister. Did you understand so far? Did you understand so far? Yes? Okay, let's move on. Now, N's sister sits third to the right of N's father, done. Only 1 person sits between N's sister and N's son. Only 1 person sits between N's sister and N's son. So if we assume N's sister here, only 1 person sits between N's sister and N's son. Now this cannot be N's son because this is N. So it means that B is for sure N's son. Look at this. There is only 1 person sitting between N's sister and N's son. So N's son cannot sit here. So it means that N's son would be sitting here. Either you take this diagram or this diagram, both ways it's right. So this is N's son. Did you understand so far also? Got it? Keep replying, people. Keep replying. Okay, next one. Next one. This is done. Up to this is done. M sits third to the left of N's son. Now we know that N's son is here in both the cases. Third left. You know this is right. Anti-clockwise right, clockwise is left. So first left, second left, third left is M. First left, second left, third left is M. So M would be sitting here. M sits third to the left of N's son. Only three people sits between M and N's husband. So three people again, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So this person is N's husband. Here N's husband is sitting. Okay. Now, next one. A sits second to the right of N's husband. Now comes some point. A sits second to the right of N's husband. If this is N's husband, A sits second to the right. So right to the A sits second to the right of N's husband. So first right, second right. No, I think this is left. First right, second right. So here will be N's father and this is A. If I take this one, first right, second right, third right, this is A. Here would be A. Okay. So we got husband, sister, son, father. We got husband, sister, son, father. Husband, sister, son, father. We got this. Mother, brother, daughter are remaining. So we'll move to next one. N's mother sits to the immediate right of C. Now, N's mother sits to the immediate right of C. Immediate right of C is N's sister. So here I know it is P. Here I know it is M. This I know B. So if I go ahead with some order, I cannot take N's mother sits to the immediate right of C. So you see, this is N's father. Here it is P. This is one which is remaining. So this could be for mother, but mother is sitting next to who? This could be mother, N's mother, right? I'm saying this could be, or even this could be N's mother. We'll see that. N's mother, who is remaining? Mother is done. Brother could be M. So mother, brother, and daughter are remaining. So now we have to start some assumption. We'll see that. Let's move forward. N's mother sits to the immediate right of C. C is not the husband of N. N's daughter sit third to the right of P. Now again, take from this one. N's daughter sits third to the right of P. This is P, third right, first right, second right, third right. So this is N's daughter. Now, if I take this one, if I take this diagram, third right will be first right, second right, third right. And I know it is N's husband. That's why this diagram will not be valid. This diagram is valid. Did you understand? Did you understand, people? Right? Why it is invalid? Because third right is N's husband. So whereas they are saying third right to P is N's daughter. So that's why this diagram will get eliminated. We will be just focusing on this one. So M is N's daughter for sure. Now M is N's daughter, N's sister, N's mother is remaining, and N's brother is remaining now, mother and brother. So we'll see, move to the next one. D sits to the immediate left of N's brother. Now C is not, if you see, this is N, M, B, P, A. A is here, A, B, C is remaining, D is remaining, M, N, P, O is remaining, right? Now, C cannot be M's husband, N's husband. So if I assume D is N's husband and look at this way, they're saying D sits to the immediate left of N's brother. So this could be N's brother. P is N's brother. So P is N's brother, where who is N's mother? N's mother sits to the immediate right of C. It means that immediate right of C is N's mother. It means that this person is C, and this person is N's sister with N's mother, sorry, which is O. So in short, what we got is, let me use other color pen. Not in short, in long only. So this is B. I cannot draw right side because Surjo, there is a chat window, and if I mess up with chat window, everything will get messed up, right? So please adjust. This is sun, right? This is N, and this is M. M is N's daughter. All right. This is C, which is N's sister. This is O, M's mother. All right. And this is D, M's husband, not M, N's husband. Husband. This is P. P is N's brother. And this is A, which is N's father. All right. Fine. So the question looks busy, looks lengthy, but if you will solve in one or other way, you will understand it. All right. Just there was a confusion where to draw P. So we drew P two sides and we were just following the condition. The sure shot thing in this question was B is N sun. So B's N sun was giving us everything into picture then. From B's, we got the place value of M. From M, we got the value for D, that is N's husband, and then we got it. I hope, Kamlesh, it's clear. What happened, Sujit Mahato? What happened? Done, people? Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Now, one more thing. Many of you might be thinking that this question cannot be solved in 1 minute. Of course, cannot be solved in 1 minute. All right. But when you people send me the question, then why should I only waste my time solving such type of question? Let you also learn something new then. Okay. So there is nothing wrong for me to solve this question. I would have said that it is not a part of IND SAT exam, but that's okay. Sometimes high level question is also okay to solve, right? But yeah, don't expect to get this question solved in 1 minute. Even the person who has like lot of experience will take minimum 3 minutes to solve this question. Okay, fine. But they scare you. Who scare you, Ronnie? After a long time you messaged. Fine, people, I'll move to the next one. There is one more question. Long question. So it depends on you whether you have to get scared or not. So, okay, I'll share one more question that will not take this much time. That's again a doubt of somebody. That birdie is Binay. 1 minute. Let me open that question quickly. All right. I want everyone, when I'll share this question, or else let's do one thing. There is another. I want you to 1 minute. I'll type and then I'll give it to you. 1 minute, yeah. M9N3K4J and 9N5K3J, K5J9M3N, K3J9N4M. All right, people. So my problem is solved now. It's so simple thing. This is just, we are discussing the doubts of people, not any question. Then after this question, we'll start Sitting arrangement reasoning. Yeah, that's not blood relation question. Because of father, mother, brother, sister, I thought that's blood relation question. But yeah, it doesn't matter. Question matter. Okay, can you see the question? Can you see the question? Yes or no? I haven't shared the screen yet. I think I did. Yeah. Fine. So this is the question. And you need to select the option. Option 1 is M9N3K4J. Option B is M9N5. Binay, are you there or not? Can you confirm, Binay? It's not visible. Option 3 is K5J9M3N. I want you people to adjust with for one option. Okay, I'll write here. There are like so less place for me to write, you know. One side there is a chat window, one side there is something. So yeah. Fourth option is K3J9 N4M. Okay, try. This one is easy. Go for it. I think option 4. Okay. All right. Shall we discuss? Yes. All right. Let's discuss. So in this question is A3P means A is the mother of P, A4P means A is the brother of P, A9P means A is the husband of P, A5P means A is the daughter of P. Which of the following means that K is the mother-in-law of M? K has to be mother-in-law of M. So I'll go with option 1. People, I hope you are getting my options right. Option 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So Cashnap, I hope you have got the correct option. So M9N3. 9 means what? M9. 9 means what? The first one is husband of the second one. So the first one is husband of second one. All right. N3K. N3K. It means that first one is mother of the second one. So first one is brother of second one. And N is mother of K. Right? N3K, it means that A is mother of, first one is mother of the second one. So N is mother of K. So from this one, is K mother-in-law of M? No. So the option gets eliminated. I hope that's clear. Yes or no? People reply quickly. Yes or no? Yeah. Now coming to the second one, I think second one is the answer. M9N. M9N. It means that first one is the husband of second one. So first one is husband of second one. Now N5. N5 means first one is daughter of. 5 means first one is a daughter of second one. So first one is daughter of second one. So still, I don't know the gender of K here, but K has to be mother. So K4J, if you see this part, A4P means K4P, sorry, K3J, it is not 4. N is N5K means N is daughter of the second one, that's correct. K3J, 3 means first one is mother of the second one. So K is mother of J. So it means that K is mother of N also. So N and J are brother, sister, or sister, sister, or brother, brother. I don't know the gender of N. J. So here I think yes, K is mother-in-law of M. So answer is 2. 2 is the answer. Got it right? 2 is the answer. Done? Yes or no? Shivani, how about other? Is that clear? Binay asked this question. RK, what is not clear in this question? I'm just following. I just have to go for the like M9, and it means that first one is 9 means what? First A is the husband of P. It means that first one is husband of second one. So I just use that one. All right, RK. Fine. So let's move on then. Let's start. 2 might be right. Yes, 2 is absolutely right, Rehan. Fine. So let me clear this. Let me clear this. Let me clear this. Stop sharing. Okay. And I'll share the screen now for clocks and calendars. Okay. So we are starting now clocks and calendars. There are no questions of it, but we will make the questions on it. Okay. This topic is, like I say, there are some topics which is not been mentioned in syllabus of IND-SAT. So ideally, it should not come, any question should not come from this topic. But many times it happens like whatever the topics, right? These clock and calendar, they haven't mentioned about permutation probability also. But permutation, combination, probability, clocks and calendars, it's a part of aptitude. So if somebody is setting a paper and that person say that, okay, clocks and calendar is also a part, so we should know it. Okay, what if other person assume it? So based on that, we are doing it. I hope that's okay with everyone. After a while, don't say that that's not a topic in our list and all that. So my intention is not to waste your time. Intention is just to understand something new. Fair enough? Okay. So first of all, we'll start clocks, right? Andrew is requesting remote control of your screen. Decline. So waiting for this. Fine. So in clocks, there are 3 hands. Fine. One is minute hand. Sorry. One is second hand. One is minute hand. And one is hour hand. Okay. I'll tell you a very simple thing, people. You just understand as of now. Okay. I'm not going in too much detail, but I'll make you understand. I will go to that level so that you will be able to understand. Okay, before this, what could be the types of question in clocks? They may ask you question like, what is the angle between 2 hands when it is 4:10? All right. So what is this? They have given us time. They have given us time and they are asking us angle. So time is given. And what's the question asked? Angle question mark. Fine. I hope you understood this part. Okay. Now another one is 1 minute. I'm making some space. So another one is, what is the 60-degree looks like, Rahul, but it is not. So what, not this, at what time between 2 and 3 the hands of angle makes, let's say, 35-degree, or let's say 65-degree, or let's say 75-degree. Right, Shivani, that's correct. 75-degree. Now what happened with this? They have given us angle and they are asking us time, and that time has to be between what? 2 and 3. So angle is given and they are asking us what? Time. So you see that it's opposite, right? No, Amar. Okay, so answer for your question is no. So did you understand both the things? Like time is given, they are asking you angle, or angle is given, they are asking you time. Fine. Another question is a very common one, mirror question, mirror image of time. All right. These are some 3 questions which are important one. Fourth one is generic question. I'll come to that. One of you remind me that what's the 4th question you were saying. I'll write it anyway. The 4th question was, at after every how many minutes the hands of a clock coincides. The hands of a clock coincide. This is one question. And another question is, how many times in a day hands of a clock coincide? So can anybody answer this question to me? Question number 5. Anybody? How many times in a day the hands of a clock coincides? Hands of a clock coincides. 24, maybe. Okay. Fine. So let's move on. Let's discuss few questions quickly. Yeah, it's not 24, I'll tell you. Once we will see few things, then you will understand all the things. All right. Okay. So generally, Emmanuel, okay, wait. Yes, Shivani. Looks like you know this method well. Shivani, you know this topic well. So we don't consider second hand. We will be talking with respect to minute hand and hour hand. High memory. So now everyone stay focused. When we say minute hand will cover 360-degree in how many minutes? In 60 minutes, it covers 360-degree. Minute hands will cover 360-degree in, this is clocks and calendars had just started now. Okay. So in 60 minutes, it covers 360-degree. It means that in 1 minute, it covers 360 by 60, which is 6 degree. So 1 minute, it covers 6 degrees. So we got speed of minute hand per minute is what? 6 degree. All of you got it? Yes, no? Speed of minute hand per minute is 6 degree. Now hour hand. 1 hour hand will cover 360-degree in how many hours? 360-degree in how many hours? Hour hand will cover 360-degree in how many hours? 12 hours. Good. So in 12 hours, it covers 360-degree, which means that in 1 hour, it will cover 360 by 12. 360 by 12 will give you 30-degree. So speed of hour and per hour is what? 30-degree. All right. So speed of minute hand per minute is 6 degrees. Speed of hour and per hour is 30-degree. Is that clear so far to everyone? Hey, Felix, after a long time. Correct? Now. when the hour end is moving or when the minute hand is moving, does R end remain constant? Even R end is moving certain speed. That's why it's able to come from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on, right? So in 1 hour, or like I can say, when I talk about hour end is covering in 1 hour 30 degree, which is like in 60 minutes it covers 30 degree. So can I say in 1 minute it covers 30 by 6, that is 5 degree? Sorry, 30 by 60, 1 by 2 degree. Yes, all right. So we got 3 speeds. We will be using these 3 speeds now. What are those 3 speeds? And how we will use it, I'll tell you 1 minute. This chat box, it's not getting. So we got speed of minute hand per minute, which is 6 degree. We got speed of hour and per hour, which is 30 degree. And we got speed of hour and per minute, which is 1 by 2 degree. So these 3 degrees are so important. Okay. Now, both the hands moves in same direction or in opposite direction? Both the hands move in same direction or in opposite direction? Same. When two object moves in same direction, what happens to their speed? It gets subtracted or gets added? When two object moves in same direction, what happens to their speed? It gets subtracted or gets added? Are you sure, RK? It gets subtracted, right? It gets subtracted. So now we have two speed in terms of minute, and minute and an hour and both are moving in same direction. So relative speed of minutes will be what? 6 minus 1 by 2 degree, which will be 11 by 2 degree. Okay, I repeat, minute hand and hour hand are both moving in same direction. So that's why the relative speed will be what? 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 11 by 2 degree in terms of minute, or 11 by 2 m. Now we have only one speed in terms of hour. So this will be minus 30 h, and this will be equal to plus minus theta. So now this is our formula which we are going to use it. Okay, I'll write it again so that you will understand. Fine. So the formula is 11 by 2m minus 30h is equal to plus minus theta. Now this theta, you can take it in two ways. If I'm taking this modulus, then I'll just take as theta. If I'm not taking modulus, then I'll just take 11 by 2m minus 30h is equal to plus minus theta. All of you got it? Why we are subtracting? Because both the hands are moving in the same direction. 30 in terms of r and 11 by 2m. How we got this 11 by 2m? 6 minus 1 by 2. 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to this. How can you get 1 hour is equal to 6 degree? I never wrote 1 hour is equal to 6 degree, Jui. 12 hours is equal to 360 degrees. So 1 hour is equal to 30 degree for hour end. Now 1 hour, I wrote 6 minutes, 60 minutes. Let me see that. 60 minutes I wrote. This is not 60 degree. I wrote 60 minutes, Jui. So what is 30h? There is only one speed in terms of hour, right, Flywell? This is the one. Only one speed in terms of hour, whereas we have two speeds in terms of minute. This is speed of hour and per minute. So this is like in every, okay, 30h, you can understand it in this way that every 1 hour, the hands will cover 30 degree. The hour end will cover 30 degree. Okay, what is the angle between, what is the angle when it is 3 o'clock? Can you tell me that? What is the angle when it is 3 o'clock? 90 degree, right? So this 3 o'clock got divided into three parts. If you see 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Understanding? Yes or no, people? So let me draw 12, 3. So this is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, this is 1, this is 2. So this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So 1 hour distance, we generally assume it to be 30 degree. Fine. So how you got this? You just go ahead in this way. Two hands are moving in the same direction. That's why 11 by 2m. Why this subtraction? We have one speed in terms of minute. We have one speed in terms of hour. And now why minus? Because both the hands are moving in same direction. Is that clear? Okay, now let's solve one question. So I asked you what is the angle when it is 410? Angle when it is 410. Fine. So 4 will be hour or minute. Can you tell me? 4 will be hour or minute? 4 hour. 4 hour, 10 minutes, right? So 11 by 2. What is my m value? My m value is 10 minus 30. H value is 4. So let's see what you are getting. 11 into 10, 110 by 2. 110 by 2 is equal to what? 110 by 2. 2125. This is 55 minus 120. 120 minus 55 is equal to 65. Right? Now you will get minus sign, but as it is in mod, so that's why you will get plus sign only. Is that clear? Fine, let's solve one more. Angle when it is, tell me some time, what time you want to calculate. 9:15. Okay, after this, I'll give you one question from my side. Okay? Angle when it is 9:15. Okay, tell me. What's the answer? $188.5. Such a bad answer, huh? 9:15. Yeah. 9:15, 180, 15 by 2, 7.5. I think 187.5, Aditya. Right, 187.5. Right. So 11 by 2 into 15 minus 30 into 9. All right. So now this is not getting cancelled. This is 165 by 2. 30 into 9 is 270. So 270 subtracted. 30, no, 8, 80, 82.5. So 270 minus 82.5. Your answer will be 187.5. Is that clear, people? There is an easy way to solve this question, but it's not needed. If only one question comes, then you just use this formula. Is that clear? Okay, fine. What do you think? What will be the angle at 420? 0 degree, right? Yeah. 10 degrees the answer. Yes, 10 is the answer. 11 by 2, 20 minus 30 into 4. 2, 1, 2, 10, 110 minus 120. Your answer is 10 degree. Okay, so one thing you understood that at 420, it's not 0 degree, it is 10 degree. All of you got it? Is this point clear? Can you solve any question now like just like this? Just substitute H and M and can you calculate the angle? Shall we move on? Yeah, okay. Now another one. At what time between 2 and 3 the hands will make what degree? What time? 90 degree. Okay. At what time between 2 and 3 the hands will make 90 degree? So 11 by 2m minus 30h is equal to plus minus theta. Now what is this 90 degree? Can I say its value of theta given? 90 degree. Yes or no? Yeah. And 2 and 3. So at what time between 2 and 3? So h value, what should I take? What do you think? What value should I take? H value is? What value h should I should take? 2. Correct. Absolutely. No problem, Emmanuel. I hope everything is all right at your end. So 2 and 3, if it is between 2 and 3, h will be 2. If it is between 3 and 4, h will be 3 because your timing is between 2 and 3. So 2 is to 1. So your time starts from 2:1 to 2:55. So every time your R is equal to 2, right? So just substitute now, you will get the answer. 11 by 2m minus 30 into 2 is equal to plus minus plus 90 degree. I'll take as of now. I'll tell you one more example. So what it will be? 11 by 2m minus 60 is equal to plus 90. 11 by 2m is equal to 150. So m is equal to 300 by 11. Did you understand so far? Wait. When you're getting this, m is equal to 300 by 11. Let's solve. 11, 2, 22, 8, 27, 3 by 11. So your final time is 2:27, 3 by 11. All right, your final timing is 2:27, 3 by 11. Got it? I just wrote 300 by 11, 11, 2, 8, 22, 8, 11, 7, 77, 3. So 3 by 11. This is how you will find the options. Okay, in the exam, if this question comes, you will find the options in such a way. Now, if there is one more question, let's solve one more. You want to solve 1 or 2, based on that, I will decide. Want to solve 1 or 2? If you say 2, I'll give you one more easy and then one difficult one. If you say 1, then I'll directly give you the easy, tougher one. 2. Okay, how about others? Only 3 people replied so far. So 2 got majority of the votes. So let's go for 2. So the second one, this is the first one, second one. What time between 4 and 5? What time between 4 and 5? Angle is between 4 and 5, right? So angle is 130 degree. Question mark. What's the answer? I don't think so. It is 550. 4. Oh my God. Everyone is getting different answer. Yes, Shivani, that's correct. 4 and 5, right? So what will be H equals to? H we will take what? So giving me approximately answer then. We will be taking H is equal to 4. So 11 by 2m minus 30 into 4 is equal to 130 degree, right? So 11 by 2m minus 120 plus will go that side will be 250. So m is equal to 500 by 11, 500 by 11, 11, 4, 45, 6, 45, 60, right? 45 pi by 11. So your answer is 445 pi by 11. 50.90. Niloy, from where you're getting that 50.90? Is that clear? 445 pi by 11 will be your answer. All right. Another one. What time between 2 and 3, 50 degree? At what time between 2 and 3, it will be 50 degree? And what's the answer? So Joy, we will not choose 5 because if it is between 4 and 5, they are saying between, right? Between 2 and 3. It means that your time starts from 201, 202, 203. So on up to 256, 257, 258, 259. And when it is 260, which is nothing but 3 o'clock. Right? So you see everywhere, H is always 2 hours some minute, 2 hours some minute, 2 hours some minute. So whenever it is between 2 and 3, we always take first value. All right, Julie, I hope it's clear. Yeah, so time here between 2 and 3, yes, 110. Anyone getting any other answer? What is the maximum possible angle between 2 and 3? It could be 360 degree also. What do you think? What could be the maximum possible angle? It could be 359, 360. All right. Calculated 259. What is the angle? That's the maximum one. 220. That's it, Neha. I think you are adding 1 by 11 extra. So 11 by 2m minus 30 into 2 is equal to 50. So you have taken plus 50 here. That's why you are getting 60, 50 plus 60. And you will be getting 110. 11 by 2m is equal to 110, or m is equal to 20 degree. So not degree, sorry, 20 minutes. So 220. Now people, everyone stay alert and listen to this carefully. I'll take another slide because it will become too cumbersome over there. What I asked question was between 2 and 3, what time? What degree? What degree I said? 50 degree. All right. So 11 by 2m minus 30 into 2 is equal to 50 degree. But you see this 11 by 2m minus 30h is equal to plus minus theta. So when you took plus, you got the answer. When you take minus, is equal to minus 50 degree. So you see this, when this 60 will go that side, minus 50 plus 60, still it is still plus 10 here. Are you getting my point? So M is equal to 10 into 2 by 11. 10 into 2 by 11 is 20 by 11. 20 by 11 is 19 by 11. So at 219 by 11 also the hands will make 50 degree. This is also one of the possible answer. All right, now why is this happening? Understand that. All of you agree that this is also possible. Now I'll prove it to you in a little shorter way. Okay, so if you take this one, if you take minus 90, like in this one, if you take minus 90 plus 60, it's not giving you positive answer, it's giving you negative answer. So negative is not allowed. If you take here also, minus 130 plus 120 is giving you minus answer, minus 100, minus 10. So minus 10 we don't consider. But when you take this one, minus 50 plus 60 is giving you plus answer. So that's why even this is possible. Now, why is this happening? So I'm getting a little advanced, but try to understand. Okay. Is it okay if I share that with you? Why is that happening? Shall I share? Okay. Oh, finally, Rehan, you are here. All right. This is 12 o'clock. Hour end. And this is 2 o'clock. Minute hand. All right. Now, people, I want you to stay focused and listen to my words carefully. When, what's the question asked? Between 2 and 3, right? No, this is 12 o'clock. I made ulta. Hour hand should be here. This is to be minute hand. And hour hand should be here at 2 o'clock. All right. This is 2 o'clock, hour hand. Now, when hour hand moves with what speed? 1 by 2 degree per minute. Hour hand. Minute hand moves with what speed? 6 degree per minute, right? So when this hand is moving with faster speed. And this hand is moving with slower speed. When this hand is moving with faster speed and this hand is moving with slower speed, that's where they will coincide somewhere and they will make it a 0 degree, right? So what is happening? When this hand, minute hand will cover 6 degree, hour hand is covering only 1 by 2 degree. So this 60 degree, as of now, it is 60 degree between them. So when this hand will move 6 degree and when this hand is moving 0.5 degree, the angle between them will be 60 minus 5.5. That is 54.5 degree. All right. So the angle is reducing. So somewhere, see, understand one very simple thing. If it is making 0 degree here somewhere, it means that the angle is reducing as of now. It is 60 degree right now. It will become 60, 59, 58, 50, so on. And once it will make 0 degree. Did you understand this part? Did you understand this part, people? All of you got it, right? The angle, if this is 60 degree right now between them, but the angle is reducing and that's where it will make 0 degree. And after making 0 degree, when the hands will coincide, after that time, again, it will start increasing. The angle will start increasing because this hand, the minute hand will be forward to hour hand and it will, as the minute hand is moving, it is increasing the angle. Okay, so that's where somewhere 50 degrees possible here also. Somewhere here. All right, before they coincide, and 50 degrees possible after they coincide also. That's why plus minus 50 both are working. All right, in a nutshell, it is like 50 degrees possible before coinciding of the two hands between 2 and 3 and after coinciding. Okay, if it is not clear, ignore it, no problem. If it is clear, wonderful. All right. Got it? So just check plus minus. If both the plus minus is giving you positive answer, like here, we are getting positive answer, plus 50 plus 60, then we will say that we will work out according. But if it is giving you negative answer, we will ignore it. Okay, so we got the answer of first two questions. Mirror image, I will see. One more question. Okay, 1 minute. I have to add few slides. This slide got over. Which slide should I add? If I'll use something here, eraser, eraser, eraser. Okay, so here you go. Another one is between 3 and 4, what time? 0 degree. 0 degree is nothing but coinciding. All right. What's the answer? Thirty into what should I do? I'll be using same formula, 11 by 2m minus 30h is equal to theta. 30 into 3, and should be equal to what degree? We should equate it to what degree? 0. All right, so this m is equal to 90 into 2 by 11. 90 into 2 is what? 180. 180 by 11. 180 by 11 is equal to how much? 11, 1, 11, 70, 11, 6, 7, 4 by 11. So your answer will be what? 316, 4 by 11. Correct, Rahan. That's correct. All of you got it right. Now I want you to calculate between okay, this is 1. I want you to calculate 2 more. Between 12 and 1, at what time? 0 degree. Between 12 and 1, at what time? 0 degree. After 12 o'clock, Rahul, after 12 o'clock, between 12 and 1. So between 12 and 1, it means that your time starts from 12:01 to 12:59. Are they coinciding? 12:65, 5 by 11, right? Now I want you to understand one thing here, people. 11 by 2m minus 30 into 12. Right, Rahan, that's correct. 30 into 12 is equal to 0 degree. So 30 into 12 is 360 degree. 360 into 2 is 720, right? So m is equal to 720 by 11. right? Now people understand one thing. I'm going to tell you very important point here. 720 by 11, when you solve it, you will get 65 5 by 11. Now 65 5 by 11, this is in minutes. This is in minutes. It means that 60 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes. Not in second, it's in minutes only. 60 minutes is nothing but 1 hour. So the time is 155 by 11, which many of you got it. All right. 6155 by 11, right? Now understand one very important thing here, that between 12 and 1, the hands don't coincide. Between 12 and 1, hands doesn't coincide. So they coincide between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3, between 3 and 4. Now, one more question I want you to solve before we move on. Between, third one, between 11 and 12, at what time? 0 degree. Between 11 and 12, at what time? 0 degree. Twelve, right? So it doesn't coincide between 11 and 12 again, because when you solve it, you will get 1159, you will get, I guess, sorry, 1160 you will get. 11 by 2m minus 30 into 11 is equal to 0 degree. 30 into 11 is nothing but, this 11 will get cancelled out. M is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but 1160 is nothing but 12 o'clock, right? 1160 is nothing but 12 o'clock. So now the hands 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So hands will not coincide between 11 and 12, and hands are not coinciding between 12 and 1 also. But hands are coinciding at 12. So between 11 and 12 and 12 and 1, it's coinciding only 1 times. So now tell me, in 12 hours, how many times in a day the hands coincide? In a day, the hands coincide. "23. No, it's 11. In 12 hours, Subhash, in 12 hours. So one time they will coincide at 12 o'clock, then 2, let me use other color pen, and I'll write C there. So it will coincide at 12, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now it will not coincide between 11 and 12. So it is coinciding how many times? 11 times. 11 times in how many hours? 12 hours. So in 24 hours, it will coincide how many times? So in 24 hours, it will coincide how many times? 22. So that's the answer. 22 is the answer. This is one of the important questions. Got it? I hope it's clear, because the way you people are answering, I think so it's clear. So we have answered we have got the answer of this question also. How many times in a day the hands of a clock coincide? It's 22 times. Now after every how many minutes the hands of a clock coincides? After every 65 5 by 11 minutes, the hands of a clock coincides, right? After every 65 5 by 11 minutes, the hands of a clock coincides. All of you understood? Okay. After every 65 5/11 minutes, the hands of a clock coincides. Done, 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 done so far. Then we left with last question. Correct. Then there is a last question, mirror image. Now mirror image is very simple. What is mirror image? Mirror image. So what is mirror image when it is 3 o'clock? Mirror image. What is mirror image when it is 3 o'clock? 9 o'clock. Good. What is mirror image when it is 4 o'clock? Eight o'clock or 10 o'clock? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock will be the answer. Mirror image at 4 o'clock is 8 o'clock. All right. Mirror image at 5 o'clock is 7 o'clock. Mirror image at 2 o'clock is, now your answer will be correct. No, 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 no. At 2 o'clock is 10 o'clock. Mirror image at 1 o'clock is 11 o'clock. Mirror image of 12 o'clock is it will be 12 only, not 6. Take Anindya, take watch in your hand and look in the mirror. You will get mirror image. Okay. Mirror image of 6 o'clock is 6. All right. Now mirror image of 2:34 is, what's the answer this time? Anybody? Ten 26. No. No. 9:26. Yeah, 9:26 is the right answer. Right, Rahul. 9:26. Now, what is happening? People try to understand the pattern here. Where is the slide? Where is the slide? Yeah. So you see this, how you got this 9, 12 minus 3. How you got this 8, 12 minus 4. How you got these two numbers, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 or 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. How you get this 10, 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. How you get this 1, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. How you get this 12, 12 minus 0 is equal to 12, or like this, right? So always we need to subtract from 12 o'clock or 11:60. If bad numbers are there, don't get emotional. 12 o'clock minus 2:34, 10 minus 4, 6, 10 minus 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 11 minus 2, 966. No, you need to subtract it from 1160, which is nothing but 12 o'clock. So 1160 minus 234. So 60 minus 34, your answer will be 26, I guess. And this is 9. So 926 will be your answer. All of you got it? For mirror image, we need to subtract from 1160 or 12 o'clock, whichever is simpler. Did you get it? Okay, so tell me the last question's answer on mirror image. Mirror image of 417. 417 mirror image. What would be the answer? $743, right? So 1160 minus 470. Your answer will be 743. Fine, people. So we are good with clocks. Are you good with clocks? I hope you understood. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I'll share this PPT. I'll share this PPT in the form of PDF with you so that you can go for the revision in case if you want. All right. Now let's start calendars. All right. Few things to understand in calendars. In calendars, there could be two type of question. One is whatever being asked to you, like how many Mondays, right? So calendar, I want you to keep your channels open, right? It's only one thing which you need to take care of it. Okay, otherwise everything is so simpler. So in calendar, they will ask you today is Monday, or today is not Monday, today is Wednesday. After 10 days will be what day? After 10 days will be what day? This could be one type of question. What day was on 25th December 19 or 25th December 2008? Why Friday? I don't know the year, you know the day, Surjo. Awesome. Oh, you are telling me answer of this one. Fine. Okay, one more. This is one. What was the day on 25th December 2008? And day is given, they may ask you date. Okay, these are two questions generally. Day is given, they are asking you day, what day will fall on so and so. If 5th May 2021 is Wednesday, then 5th May 2022 will be what day? All right. All of you got it? Did you understand the question? We'll look at the solution very quickly. Fine. After 10 days will be what day? First of all, what will be the answer for this? After 10 days will be what day? Saturday. Okay. So today is Wednesday. After 10 days will be what day? So 10 divided by 7. Are you all of you getting Saturday? 8th day will be Wednesday again. Or like after 7 days will be Wednesday. So 8th day will be Thursday, 9th day will be Friday, and 10th day will be Saturday, right? So what we are doing, we always divide 10 by 7 and we focus on remainder 3. So count 3 days from Wednesday, that is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Saturday will be your answer. Had the question been given, today is Wednesday, after 43 days will be what day? So what will be the answer? 43 divided by 7. 7, 6, 42. What is your remainder? 1. So from Wednesday, count 1. So it will be Thursday. Thursday would be your answer. All of you understood? So yeah, we are coming to date. Date question, we are coming to that. Is this part clear? So if they are asking today is this, what will be which day? So you can always ask, you can always solve it in this particular way. Divide it by 7 and then count based on the remainder. All right. Shall we move to the next one? Okay. All right. Now, another question, what was the day? What day was on 25th December 2008? 25th December 2008. Now, before this, let's understand few things quickly. So, I will take some time for this, but we will understand it quickly. From 1 to 5 years, how many leap years are there? How many leap years are there? 1. From 1 to 10, how many leap years? From 1 to 10, how many leap years? 2. 1 to 20, how many leap years? From 1 to 20, 5, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you will get how many leap years? 5. Now 1 to 45 years, how many leap years? 1 to 45 years, how many leap years? 11. All of you got it? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 30, 28, 32, 36, 40, and 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we cannot go and count like this only, right? So if it is given 1 to 90, 1 to 90 years, how many leap years? So before 90, which number was divisible by 4? Before 90, number divisible by 4. Number divisible by 4. Which one was that? 88. Got it? Okay. 1 to 100 year, how many leap years would be there? 25. Okay. Ideally, it should be 25, but now it is 24. I'll tell you why. Wait for a while. So whenever, how many days are there in a week? I'm coming to this. How, not in a week. Okay. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many days are there in a year? Ordinary year. Ordinary year. So 365 days. And in leap year, we'll have 366 days. All right. So now when I solve this 365, I divide it by 7, I'll get 52, that is 364, and I'll get 1 as the remainder. When I divide this 366 by 7, 7, 5, 35, 1, 16, 2, 14, 2 as the remainder. All right. People, stay focused wherever you are. If you want to understand this topic, very important point we are going to discussing now. So in ordinary year, whichever day is not fitting into week, like here, 2 days are not fitting into the week. In the previous one, in ordinary year, I cannot write it because the chat window is there. So in ordinary year, there is 1 day which was not fitting in the week. So we call it as odd days. Actually, I could have written odd days here. So in ordinary year, we have how many odd days? The days which are not fitting in the week. How many odd days? 1. In leap year, how many odd days we have? 2 odd days. All right. Okay. So now tell me from 1 to 10. If I talk from 1 to 10, let's say 1901, I'll get 1 odd year, 1 odd day. 1902, I'll get 2 odd days. I'll get 1 only. 1903, again I got 1 odd day. 1904, I will get 2 odd days because it's a leap year. 1905, I'll get 1 odd day. 1906, again I'll get 1 odd day. So when you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 years in combination gave you 1 more week extra. Did you understand? Every year, one day is remaining. Every year. In case of leap year, there were 2 days. So when you combine these weeks, when you combine these all, you will get 1 more week. Yes or no? Were you able to understand this? All of you got it? All right. So many times the question is also there, didn't get that. So Anindya, let's say you had 365 chocolates, but you have to give 777 chocolate to one person. So you will left with one chocolate. Yes or no, Aditya? Right? So in 1902, let's say 1901 is a person. 1901 left with one chocolate. 1902 left with one chocolate. 1903 left with one chocolate. 1904 is a leap year. That's why left with two chocolate. 1905 left with one chocolate. 1906 left with one chocolate. When I add all these remaining things, will give me one more week. So I'll get how many weeks? I'll get 52 into 6 plus 1 week extra. I will not get 63 weeks, 53 weeks, Surjo. But combining these 6 years, ideally I should get 52 into 6 weeks, but I'll get 1 week extra. Kumbuso, did you understand? Anindya, did you understand? Very simple, Anindya. Like every year, 1 day was remaining. Yes or no, Anindya? Kumbuso, did you understand? Okay, Kumbuso, awesome. All right. So sometimes the question is asked that if the calendar of okay, after, let's say after 2021, which year will have same calendar? This is the question. After 2021, which year will have same calendar as 2021? So now we will see. After 2021, which year will have same calendar as 2021? Wait, 2021. So we'll start from 2022. 2022, it's a leap year? No. So it will be 1 odd day. 2023, 1 odd day. 2024, 2 odd days. Because it's 2024. So 2 odd days. 2025, 1 odd day. 2026 will be again 1 odd day. 2027 will be again 1 odd day. All right, so you will get, I think I added one extra, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so the answer is what? 2027. All right, Flywell. Fine. Is this clear? Now we'll move to the last part of the question. So coming to this, odd days. In odd days, in ordinary year we have 1 odd day. In leap year we have 2 odd days. So can you say from 1 to 10 year how many odd days are there? How many odd days? 1 to 10 year, how many odd days are there? Okay. Every year is giving you 1 odd day for sure. Listen to this. Yes, license, that's correct. Every year is giving you, people listen to this carefully. Every year will give you one odd day for sure, whether it's an odd year or leap year, ordinary year or leap year. So every year will give you 1 odd day for sure. But how many leap years are there from 1 to 10? 2 leap years. That means that 2 days extra. So you will get 12 odd days. All of you got it? If it is given 1 to 40, number of odd days will be what? 40. 1 to 40, 40 as it is, plus from 1 to 40, how many leap years? 10 leap years. So we will get 40 plus 10, 50 odd days. Now this 50 will again get divided by 7 and you will get 1 as the remainder. This 12 again divide by 7 and you will get 5 as the remainder. All of you understanding? Yes. Can everybody reply to me quickly before I move on? Can I see few yes very quickly? Okay, only 3 people replied, 4, 5. That's it. Okay. All right. Thank you. Fine. Now 1 to 57 years. How many will be odd days? Number of odd days. So I'll do what? Okay, you tell me first. So it will be 57 plus what? 57, 1 to 57 years, there will be 14 leap years. 4 into 14 is 56. So before 57, 56 was a number which was divisible by 4, and that's 14. So 57 plus 14 is equal to 71. 71 odd days, divide by 7. So finally you will get what? 1 odd day. 71 divide by 7 again. So you will get 1 odd day. Fine. Jennifer, is that getting clear? Flywell, Jennifer, Srijita, Shivani. Raj, Bhomik, Dipesh. Understanding? Okay. Now, finally, odd day 1. Final odd day is 1. Yes. Now, tell me, people, one more thing is why we have 1 extra day in leap year? This I should have spoken first, but why we have 1 extra day in leap year? Okay, Earth revolves around 365 days, 6 hours. All right, 365 days, 6 hours. So when you see this 365 days, 6 hours, when the 6 hours gets added in 4 years, it will give you 24 hours. And that's why you are getting 1 day extra in leap year. I hope everyone knows this. Yes or no? Okay. But now I'm going to tell you something very important. You will not find it anywhere. I did a lot of research too, because I always had a doubt. So one thing, let me move on. So 1 to, oh, what is that? 1 minute. 1 to 100, how many leap years would be there? 1 to 100, how many odd days will be there? 1 to 100, how many odd days will be there? No, that's not doubt, Surjo. That's doubt is like your doubts for me. Surjo, come on, Surjo. 1 to 100. 1 to 100 is like, yeah, 100 plus 25. Now I'm going to tell you very important point, people. 100, actually it is 100 plus 24. Now, why is this? Why is this 24, not 25? Because year has extra 6 hours. 100 year has extra 6 hours. I'll tell you why. And hence, not a leap year. Whichever has 6 hours extra will not be a leap year, right? So therefore, it is not a leap year century. So 200 year will have 12 hours extra. I'll tell you why. 300 year will have 18 hours extra, and 400 year will have 24 hours extra, which means that 1 day extra. This 1 day will get adjusted anyway, and that's how this is leap century. 400 year is leap century. Now, why is this happening? Like I told you, 365 days, 6 hours. Actually, it is 365 days, 5 hours, 57 minutes, 23 seconds. All right, it is like this. So every year we are losing 2 minutes, some seconds. We are losing 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Are you getting my point? This 6 hours is approximately, but actually it is something 5 hours, 57 minutes. I'm sure this 23 second is on from my own. I don't remember exact number, but yeah, it is 5 hours, 57 minutes. So every year we are left with some minutes. That's where when this 2 minutes or the leftover part gets added up, in 100 year, it gives you one. In 100 years, that leftover part, that leftover minute gives you 6 hours extra. All of you understood? Can you reply, people? Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine. So that's where number of odd days again. Odd days in ordinary year, we have 1 odd day. In leap year, we have 2 odd days. So in 100 years, we will be having 100 plus 24, 25th. 100 is divisible by 4, but because of this leftover part, 100th year is not a leap year. That's why 100 plus 24, 124 by 7, 124 by 7, 717, 54, 7, 7, 49. Remainder is 5. So 100 year will have 5 odd days. So 200 year will have how many odd days? 100 year has 5 odd days. 200 year will have 10 odd days. So 10 again divided by 7. Your final remainder is 3 odd days. 300 year will have 15 by 7. 15 odd days. 15 by 7, your remainder is 1 odd day. And 400 year, can anyone tell me 400 year will have how many odd days? So Joy, I did not understand your question in the previous one, but it is like in 2021, if you see in year 2021, there will be 365 days. So 365 days will give you 1 as the remainder. All right. 2022 will also give you 1 as the remainder. That was by mistake. I would have written 2, but I corrected it. All right. Okay. So yeah, Rehan, that's correct. So people, 5 into 4, 20 odd days, right? 100 year, 5 odd days, 200 year, 10, 315. So 400 will have 20 odd days. But you remember 6 hours getting extra everywhere? You remember 6? Leap year will have 1 day extra, 366 days. That is 29th February will be there, Deborah. Ordinary year will have 28th February only. Leap year will have 29th February also. All right, so coming to this, it is like here it's been mentioned, 400th year will have 24 hour extra, 1 day extra. So that 1 day extra, it means 20 odd days plus 1 day. So you will get 21 days. 21 divided by 7. Finally, it is what? 0 odd days. All right. So quickly, now let's revise quickly. 0 ordinary year will have how many odd days? Ordinary year will have how many odd days? 1. Leap year will have how many odd days? 2. 100 year will have how many odd days? 100 year will have how many odd days? 124. So 124 divided by 7. Finally, what is your remainder? 5. All right. So 100 year will have 5 odd days. 200 year will have how many odd days? 3 odd days. 5 into 2, 10. 10 divided by 7, 3. 300 year will have how many odd days? 1. And 400 year will have how many odd days? 0. 0. Not 6, it's 0. Fine. All of you understood this part? Now, another part. How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? I will say all months have 28 days. Don't you think so? Yes, every month has 28 days. All right. Okay. So now my question is, how many months can be there in a, oh, that was a tricky. Yeah, because I knew that you were thinking about 28th, oh, February 28th. That's it. Okay. So how many days a month can have? How many days a month can have? Maximum, minimum. Minimum 32, Rahul. I never know any month has 32 days. Minimum 28, maximum 31. So a month can have 28 days. A month can have 29 days. Some months have 30 days. Some months have 31 days. Now tell me month, days. Now tell me, if it is 28 days, what will be the number of odd days in that month? Zero. If it is 29, then what will be the number of odd days here? 1, right, Sushmita? If it is 30, then what? What will be the number of odd days? 2. And if it is 31, then what will be the number of odd days? 3. All right. All of you understood so far? Have you understood so far? Yes. All right. So now there is one question where we will be using all these things, whatever I have written on this paper, like this slide, we will be using that, but that question we will solve in the next class. What all the months don't have equal days? Why all the months don't have equal days? Because that's why 365 days are not getting fixed. So I'm not the one, Rahul, who decided calendars. Had I been the one, I wouldn't have introduced this topic. Okay, Rahul. Okay, so whatever the question we have to see, we will use all these things. We will meet on Saturday now, and Saturday we will take a quickly recap of whatever we have done in the Blame the Planet Orbits, bro. Wow, Anindya. So we will use all this, not all this. The important one is this part, Okay, before I move on, now you already know this story, you know, or this story, you know. Before we close, tell me the answer of one question, which is very common again. I'll write it. what could be the maximum difference of years between any two leap years? Your options are 4. First option is 4, 5. Third option is 6. And fourth option is 8. Yeah. What's the answer? Right, Rahul. Anyone else? Okay, tell me one thing. 1896, was it a leap year? 1896, was it a leap year? Yes or no? 1896, year 1896, was it a leap year? Yes, leap year. Right? But now, not 6, Rahman, we need to take 96. So 96 is divisible by 4, that's why it is a leap year. 1900 is a leap year. Or was a leap year? Was 1900 a leap year? Yes or no? No. Why? Because 1900 is not divisible by 400. 1900 is like that 100th century. So it is not a leap year. But when you see 2000 was a leap year. Right? 2100? No. 2200? Not a leap year. 2300? Not a leap year. 2400? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So that's why it was a leap year. All right. So if this part is clear, then when you look at this, if 1896 was a leap year, 1900 was ordinary year, now 1904 will be a leap year. So what's the difference, maximum difference you can get? 8 years. Between any two leap year, the maximum difference you can get is 8 years. Okay. So why not tomorrow, Sushmita? Because tomorrow is your verbal class. All right. So that's why we will meet on Saturday now. So I hope this answer. Now in IMD SAT exam, actually you can get this type of question. In case if they are asking, they should ask this type of question. They will not go through the high level of the question, which we are gonna do on Saturday. Though you don't, but you need to know this entire story to get that one line answer or to get one word answer. All right. Or you can expect this type of question. If today is this day, then what will be that day? What will be the day after 63 days and so on? Fine, people. So we will discuss now the remaining part. Oh, wow. Slide also got over. Okay. I thought I have added n number of slides. No, 1900 is not a leap year. Yes. Okay. So did you understand clocks completely? Yes, no? Okay. Did you understand calendar so far, whatever we have discussed? All right. Okay. All right. So I'll share this PPT with you people, not today. Or you want me to share it today itself? Almost. So do you want me to share today itself? Whenever you can. I can share it. Okay, I'll share it so that next time when we will come, we will just add on few things to it. Okay. All right, then we'll see you on Saturday. Saturday, we will be completing some questions of installments. And like Dipesh had some doubt in equation questions. So I'm thinking to take some equation questions also. We are done with the topic here. All right. So from next week, we will be starting our revision kind of thing. All right, we will be doing the crash course type. Fine. So any other topic which comes to your mind, let me know, ping me so that we can see whether to discuss or not. We'll figure out that. Okay, people. So you too take care. Have a good day. Enjoy. We'll see you on Saturday. Fine. Bye-bye.